BuiltView has native support on web for displaying 360 photos and videos, like those captured by the Insta360 camera. These can be really useful for providing context for people who can't get out on site, or for capturing the conditions of the entire site rather than just a small photo. If you upload a photo, which is already a native Stitch 360 photo, you can choose to add tags to it, and when you upload it, BuiltView will automatically identify it as a 360 camera. When the photo is in your gallery, you will see it renders with a panoramic renderer so that you can look around, zoom in, and see everything you need to see. If you want to tag a particular location, there are two ways you can do it. The first is through the commenting feature. If I add a comment saying, "This is some equipment," that comment will actually save the location that I was looking at the time. So if anyone else is looking at this photo and they click on my comment, they'll be taken to that part of the photo. You can also do markups directly on this view. If I zoom in on a part of the photo and I press markup, it will take a screenshot just of that part of the photo. And I can redact features or do anything else I need to do. 360 also works for video. If you have a 360 video captured in any camera, you can watch that video in panoramic view. You'll probably have to change the quality and make sure you have a good internet connection to make it worthwhile. Just like with photos, adding comments to this view is very powerful. If I add a comment here, the comment will remember not only where I'm looking in the panorama, but also the time in the video. So if someone else is watching the video and then they press the comment, it'll be taken to the thing I was looking at when I commented.